Hello and welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see baby shower table decoration ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Girls' mom don't get to have all the fun. You can go in any direction while planning the perfect boy mom shower. Put your own twist on a traditional boy baby shower theme, or your boy baby shower decoration can veer into less conventional no matter what your baby boy shower theme. Unexpected details that fit the mom to be's personality will make her day extra special. Here are some of our favorite ideas for boy baby shower decorations. Everybody loves candy, and a display table like this is fun and festive. Let guests put together a bag of their favorite sweets on their way out the door. So the candy will be doing double duty as dessert and a baby shower favor. Soft blue is heavenly for a baby boy shower. Make it extra special with white and gold details. This sweet treat card featuring a chandelier and gold accent balloon display would add glamour to any boy mom's shower. Bold primary colors are a striking choice for baby boy. Colorful celebration glass, red napkins, and a mix of floral and green elements make a special tablescape that feels rich and alive. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for baby's shower table decoration. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.